Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So today I am going to be doing a I love you the most tag. So basically I'm going to be showing you guys the bag that I love the most, and I was tagged by Selena Scott. I'm going to make sure I have her channel down in the description box, so make sure that you check her out. She also does like luxury videos and hauls. So yeah, I think you guys will really enjoy her channel, so make sure that you check her out. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. So the bag that I love the most, I don't think you guys are going to be surprised at all, is of course my black small cape with the gold hardware. Y'all, oh my god, I literally already have like 2 videos on this bag because I just love it, and I don't know, yeah, I like it. I have an unboxing and then like I did a comparison. So if you haven't watched it, make sure that you check it out. I'll leave it up here so you guys can check it out. Yeah, so I guess I'm going to tell you guys like why I love this bag. If you're new to my channel, I mean, you can kind of look back at the history and you can see like this was like my second like designer haul or review, and I feel like this kind of like jump started my whole like, you know, YouTube channel, inspired me to kind of come out with like a niche, or okay, this is something that I really want to, you know, like kind of make more videos about. And this is like my first new fresh out of the store designer bag. I've had designer bags before, like I had like Louis Vuitton bags, but they were given to me from my grandmother because she has like all types of different bags, vintage bags, so she would like give them to me, or like, you know, bags that she didn't want, she would let me get them. But this was like my first new one, you know, she out the store, not pre-loved or anything. And yeah, and I feel like once I got this bag, I just became obsessed. And I'm like, oh my god, okay, now I want this bag, now I want this bag. And now like I literally have, I want to get like every single YSL bag. Not like every single bag, but like every style. Like they have the sunset bag that I want to get. They have this tote that I want to get. They have the Stack the drawer bag that I want to get. I've been wanting that bag for a long time, but yeah, like now I just want to get like every single style. And I also want to get this bag with the tassel. So yeah, I feel like it's just created a monster. I've always loved like luxury items, but I feel like this bag just kind of like added fuel to the fire. And then, you know, now that I just graduated and now I have a full-time job, like now, like, you know, getting these items are more accessible for me. I don't have to wait until like, you know, Christmas or things like that when I would ask these for like for my parents. So now I can just like get them myself. So yeah, I guess I'll just, you know, give you like an overview of the bag. So it's just all black, really classic. That's why I really wanted this to be my first bag, because it's very versatile. Even though I do kind of think that this gold hardware, it does make it like, I feel like it's not really that easy to dress down a little bit. Like I'll try to wear like very like casual gold jewelry and things like that, but I do feel like the gold kind of makes it a little bit more dressy, but I love it. And I honestly, like, I just bought my silver one, and I feel like I definitely wear that one more casually, and then now I'm gonna start wearing this one like more dressy. So I feel like, you know, I kind of have best of both worlds. So yeah, so it's really plain, like it doesn't really have like any pockets or anything, so it's just like has a simple inside. But I did just find out when I did my medium review that there's a pocket in here, and I've literally had this bag for 2 years and I never knew. There's like a little, I'll probably have to like do like an up close so you guys can see it, but there's a pocket in here. I could put my cards and ID and things like that, and I never knew that, and I'm like, oh my god. So now I know I have it does have kind of like a little compartment, like a little thing you can slide stuff in. It just says Saint Laurent right here, and that's pretty much it. I usually wear this bag crossbody, or I wear it like this. Pretty much the 2 ways that I wear it. But actually I feel like I don't really wear it as much as I used to. When I first got this bag, I feel like I would wear it non-stop almost every day. But I don't know, I just felt like I really didn't want to ruin it. And like I said, the gold does kind of make it like not so casual, so I just feel like it didn't really go with a lot of my everyday outfits when I didn't want to be too dressy, you know, like just having like sneakers and things like that. But yeah, I really love this bag. I definitely feel like it's worth it. And YSL, like you can get some of their bags on sale all the time. I didn't know that at the time, so I paid full price for this. I wish I would have waited, because literally like after I got this bag, like I said, I kind of got like, oh my god, okay, what's my next bag, like, you know, what do I want next? It just kind of like started this whole bag obsession, like really. Now I'm like, I feel like I'm obsessed with bags. But yeah, and then now, you know, I do more research. I'm like looking for, okay, I want to get a good sale. And like I said, like I'm buying these myself now. So, you know, I definitely want to get a good deal because, you know, yeah, I want to save some coins. So yeah, now I feel like that has started a whole new thing where like now I'm like, okay, I'm going to try to get the best deal for the best price. And I feel like that has kind of helped me kind of build my collection a little bit faster, I feel like, because, you know, I am getting these bags. Sometimes, you know, I find them on sale and things like that. So that kind of helps too. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I know it was really quick, but I just really, you know, want to do this tag. I thought it was really cute. Like I said, make sure that you guys check out Selena Scott's video and her channels. I think you guys will really love it. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat.